This is Lisa Feldkamp for VM205, and I'm going to draw blood for serum chemistry.
This literally looks so painful in this color.
Oh, she has one of those pinch collars, doesn't she? You don't like those either. Okay, so I'm holding off the jugular, and I'm going to try and feel for it. And feel it there. So I'm going to keep holding off. I'm going to grab my needle.
Okay, you sit. Careful.
I'm going to
Don't look yourself. You're good.
So, holding off again, and finding the vein again. I might feel a little further up and see if I can find it there. I feel it right there. Okay, so I'm going to go and double up, about at a 30-degree angle. And I'm going to try and go firmly. Oops. My hand got caught there.
It's okay, baby. You're doing so good. Good girl. Let me hit something.
I see blood out of my needle, so I know I'm almost
Okay,
in the right
babies.
spot.
It's okay. Good girl.
Keep trying to redirect.
Good girl. Hey, good job. Okay, baby.
Sorry, girl, I need to get a little more. It's still coming. It's coming more.
Is it at too much, honey?
So I have to do it for serum chemistry, so I'm supposed to get like at least 2 mils. Still, that's pretty good video.
Oh, it's
I'll go for that.
a chem.
So, but for the heartworm test, we just need this purple top first. Okay. So I got enough to almost fill it to the line on this purple top. I know it would be better to have just a little more blood. Is it okay if I try to draw more? Thank you, girlies. Feel it right there. Double up. Pretty firm.
It's okay, baby.
Try to redirect.
It's okay. I know.
Sorry, girl.
You're being so good. Good girl. Good girl. I know.
Sorry, girl.
Fix it. Good girl. There you go.
I'm sorry, girl. I didn't mean to make you scared.
It's okay. It's okay. Just a pookie. I know, baby.
Okay, I feel it.
Hey, good job. I know.
I'm sorry, girl. I'm gonna get as much as I can. Okay, that's good. Thank you so much, Jenna. Okay.
Good job.
And then I'm gonna put the other blood into this red tube here. try. Okay. And that was also a little bit less than I wish. Both of them I'm inverting. This one I think I already did a few times. It needs to be about 6 to 8. This one's only about 3 to 6 times. And then I will spin the red top tube. And to get my serum, I've chosen to use a tiger top tube. So that one has no anticoagulant, but it does have the activator gel, which means that I'm not going to need to rim the tube. I have gently inverted it. I am letting it sit for 15 minutes at room temperature, and I'm going to note when it seems to start to form a clot. And then I will spin both of them. I'm going to go with 2,500. I'll describe it later. I collected my samples into a lavender top tube. So I inverted it 5 to 10 times to prevent the clotting, and it has an EDTA anticoagulant. And I'm going to spin it to get the plasma. So I've been observing my tiger top tube, and it is beginning to clot. And I think it's been about 15 minutes now. No, it has been about 15 minutes now, so I'm going to go ahead and spin it. So I'm using this LW Scientific E8 centrifuge, and I have balanced my tiger top with my purple top across the way there. I'm going to close it, lock it, reset it to blood, and then I am going to centrifuge it for 10 minutes. Okay, so you can see that my serum did still end up a bit hemolyzed, probably because it wasn't the best draw. I also got called away to an emergency. And we don't have capillary pipettes, so I'm just using a regular pipette and going as gently as I can to put my serum from my red top, tiger top tube into a clear tube with nothing in it. You can see that's my serum. And similarly, oh my God, you're fine. And similarly, this one, I think it was partly the spin and partly the stick, but the plasma ended up very hemolyzed. I'm still going to go ahead and draw it off. As gently as I can with this pipette. It's a different pipette so that I'm not mixing serum and plasma. And I'm going to put the plasma in here. And there is my plasma. And I wanted to note that I did label these, I don't know how well you can read it, but Aspen Wagner plasma, Aspen Wagner blood, or Aspen Wagner serum, and then on the tubes I had Aspen Wagner blood.